Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So I'm gonna give you update on what's happening today. So guys, since yesterday I talked to you, there is a lot been happening. Like one of them was like it's pretty crazy, guys. I'm gonna tell you, it's like a kind of lottery winning, or I don't know what it's called. But I was sleeping like last night, and one of my friends called me and like, "Yo, look, have you seen your Instagram?" I was no, what's happening? He said, "Just check your Instagram, check the influencer that you send the product to, because one of my friends knows about this, but he's not my like my business partner, but he knows about the plan." So I found out that Cardi B has have had retweeted the tweet that influencer had posted on her Twitter. So guys, what that lead to was like the influencer my product is going to today. I'm gonna receive and make a product video for me. Went viral and she got around 15K followers in one night, guys. And for one retweet from Cardi B, she got 15K followers, guys. Like I don't know what to say, like this is a jackpot or something like that. And yeah, so all of her Instagram reels, which I told her to like film Instagram views, they got up. Like one of her Instagram reels like got 3 million views, one of them 900,000 views. Guys, she's getting viral and she's like getting too many followers, and I only paid her $150 for a post and for an Instagram reel post and for a story, three stories, guys. So that's gonna be on her Instagram for a while, like for a couple of 6 months or something like that. Yeah. So guys, if this not work, I know the product like is not good, so I'm gonna change the product. But if it works, I know like it's gonna work, so I'm gonna continue like scale with Instagram influencers. And currently, I'm doing very like heavily research on Facebook. Like I know a couple of things, but one thing I recommend you guys to do is like go to Gabriel Saint Germain YouTube channel. He's not he's offline like for 2 years now, but his videos are really top notch about Facebook ads. It's kind of complicated for the beginners, but you're gonna understand. But I'm not gonna go to the Facebook like other just like new drop shippers that like don't have any experience and don't know what to do, because you can get your ad account banned and you can face some problems, and I don't want to do that. I want to go there prepared. I watch the videos like, if my ad account get banned, what should I do, what's the best way to do. I got a couple of templates I can send to the Facebook. Look, I'm sorry, but first of all, guys, you should know that Facebook only want to have like a real like e-commerce business in their platform. They don't want to like no bad cheap like e-commerce. So what Facebook does, like some people may think, yeah, Facebook is that is Facebook is absolute BS. That's not good. But Facebook is trying to help you for your business to be better. Facebook's gonna level you up, because if you want to like advertise on Facebook, you should follow the rules. And what the rules are, like, have a good landing page, have a about us page, have a refund policy. I have all these policies, guys. You should have all the policies. Your page should be optimized. Your ads should be like 1080p, like at least should be 1080p, and you can't like copywriting any content. So all of this, like if you listen to Facebook, they're gonna make you like the better at dropshipping and e-commerce. Like you can't just be a copycat. I did all of my own. And one other thing is, you can use the certain words. You can use nudity. And yeah, guys, you can use like shop now, get sales now. So it's a couple just I advise to like join the groups, and just in the top of the group search about Facebook or something like that. You can see all these people that had the problem with Facebook, and you can learn from them, so not to make the same mistake. So one thing that I did, that I have at the moment, I have LTD. So that's gonna help me like be more like yeah, be more like serious with Facebook. I'm gonna leave the information. And one thing, guys, when you have to get through, like, that's a golden nugget, that you have to get your business account verified. And if you do that, you're gonna be whitelisted on Facebook. And what that means, like, they're gonna see you as authority, like they're gonna see that you're legit. And how you can do that is make it LTD or LLC. And one other thing is that the company name should be the same name as the Facebook like page name that you have made, so that's gonna match. And what I did for that was like, my company name is this. I make the company name as same as the Facebook. That cost me a little bit, but like each time, like in Sweden, I'm gonna change my country name. I have to pay like around around how much was it? Around $100 or something like that, guys. So yeah, around $100 each time. I have to change the company name to make it legit and let my ads get verified. But I don't know that much. But if you get verified, you get 5 ad accounts. So if one of them get banned, you have another one. But you probably don't want to get banned because they say you are the authority and they know you can do your thing. So yeah, guys, know about this. And like when you go to the Facebook, just go there and know what you're doing. Have a high quality videos. Like don't focus on a certain part. So that's all the things like the Facebook look at. Yeah, so and if your ad can even get that, or if your voice, your like account get banned, guys, don't give up. Like there can be other things. You can buy another PM or something like that. I don't know. I haven't like faced this problem yet, but if I do, I'm not gonna give up. Like there's a bunch of other platforms, but you're gonna learn and grow. Each like a failure gonna be one step closer to the success, guys. And one other thing I can recommend you that look at this the founder magazine, that their YouTube videos, they interview all these successful dropshippers like Greta Van Riel or something like that. That other dude, what is his name, Nick Shackelford or something. That dude is a brain in Facebook, guys. Like my dream is like to be better than him, and I really like Facebook ads. Like I think it's interesting and I love to fail. No problem for me, guys. I'm all in for it, and you're gonna be with me and see it. But one thing is that you should believe it yourself first, and then like go on. Go on. You should be consistent with this. And the other thing was that, yeah, guys. So I think that was all, I guess. Yeah, I got a fresh haircut as well, like you can see. So I'm gonna see how it goes with that influencer. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, guys. Till tomorrow. See you. Peace.